I'm NG, Prophet Dog Palia, the musician from Western Kigezi with Debachiga TV. We shall always come join the efforts to make it everything happening as God bless us in the situation of this pandemic disease as coronavirus. And I will always remain, and I wish that people who are there who can listen to my views even on radio station, on airways, I love you, but we should always keep in touch with each other as in this pandemic disease as a catastrophe disaster, and with God everything shall happen in peace, harmony, with tranquility, being the one energy Prophet Dog Palia, and with the Bachiga TV, and understand Ditilia being the number one extraordinary beyond the off limit above the old tragedy passing. With Dog Palia. Now I'm gonna sample. This is my song for the year. I'm energy Dog Palia. I will always remain. This is a boom, and I wish that may God bless you as you hear the hit. Wagwan. Niso chatuma ndabagumanda gambira njye murangi mu rubiri gwa bashwankuruza shwankuranje nitibarimbasa nyondi tibarimbuza no question no answer nishko tachajya abana bato turikwanjirobwa tugwira na mutuku okwe niko bari kweto kuzinga mano kuguna ya mawe imbere y'ensajja katuguguna tukatine cyo kujya konkati mwana nitujenya kandi twaba twine microphone iwe toka basika kusharura kiga free pop niyo yonka eri kubasika kusharura amasharura agari kubasika kuriza batisha bona emiziga reka ntandike mbaruke ya mawe tisavo bwa class munita kabona mnonga ensi yankulingo mwitaka nkantunika echifuwa chantu nama amagufa gantu nama konka mwana kubona bona mnonga tiko kufakati kukani samara hatinyo kankora maraka abarona bamparikize akanaka basimira kijaliwa nanyo kufayo tukafayo mnonga tukamanye gyafayo nyoni info mnonga kula mukama rwanga msaidara kule bamwense giti yankuba matara eki mukama rwanga wanje ali kwenda ngumbe kambe nkiriho ogwa kali munywani wanje obunabire nchajyo mwana muto ebindabire muni binji okuno kutonza kwa mani no kushasha kwa mani mnonga yamawe mukama nyambe yabawe